You've signed the contract. Construction has started. But suddenly, more payments. Sir Kulang Po, Young Budget SA Plumbing. Ma'am, may additional cost for excavation DAW? These are called hidden charges, and they can ruin your budget fast. So today, let's talk about how to avoid hidden charges when building your home. #1. Demand a detailed scope of work. Many contractors give lump sum prices, but don't list what's included or excluded. Ask for specifics like number of light switches, size of septic tank, type of floor tiles, no details. Expect surprises later. #2. Check the bill of quantities. The box shows the exact quantity of materials and work. How many bags of cement? How many meters of electrical conduit? If the BOQ is vague, you're likely to get hit with Kulang charges later. #3. Ask about provisional sums. These are placeholders in the budget for things that haven't been finalized. Example, Philippine peso 50,000 for kitchen cabinets. Problem is, if the actual cost turns out to be Philippine peso 90,000, guess who pays the difference? Tip: minimize provisional sums by choosing materials early. #4. Watch out for VOAVO is any change you request after the contract is signed. Change tile color. That's a VOAD, a window. Another VO. These extras stack up fast. Solution: stick to the plan. Only approve changes that are necessary. #5. Confirm what turnkey really means. Some contractors say turnkey, but exclude paint, lights, or kitchen cabinets. Always ask, Pog Sinabi, Mung Turnkey, Anong Kasali at Anong Hindi. In summary, demand scope clarity, review the BOQ, watch provisional sums, minimize VO's confirmed turnkey scope. If it's not written, it's not included. Like this video if you found it helpful. Comment your hidden charge stories below. And follow BuildSmart Global for more budget-saving tips when building in the Philippines.